Baguiomians! Ayan. Hello, Baguio! Naimbag! Nga daw tayo amin dita, mukit na lamuot dita. And also, maayong buntag, Cebu. Now, before my sharing, I would like to introduce myself a little bit. So I was born in Natunin Mountain Province, one of the remote areas of Mountain Province. I remember during my college days, kapag kami ay umuuwi, during semestral vacation, it will take us 2 days trip. 1 day ride and 1 day hike. Sabi nga nila, the road to Natunin is like hell. But when you reach Natunin, as if you are like in heaven. Kaya ang daming mga ulap doon, no? During rainy season, sabi nga, kapag nasa Natunin ka at meron kang 5 piso, ay pwede mo nang marating ang langit. Yan. We also have beautiful rice terraces there, no? Now, this is our picture with my 2 siblings during our class reunion. Wala yung bunso namin because he was in Thailand as a coach for the national archery. Pero ito yung kompleto kaming magkakapatid. Yan. We are 4 in the family. I am the second. And my favorite sister is here with me. Sales Master Kids. Ayan. We are all users and endorsers of our Atomy Hemohim. Yan. Our parents are both teachers. My father died when I was only 10 years old. He died at the age of 36. And my mom was 4 months pregnant to our youngest brother, leaving the sole responsibility to our strong mom in rearing us up. I remember when I graduated from high school, my mom told me, huminto ka muna kasi hindi na daw niya kaming kayang suportahan na magkapatid. Sabi niya, patapusin muna natin si kuya. But I told her, Mom, kaya kong mag-self-supporting. And thanks God, I passed 2 scholarships. 1 government and 1 private, the SLU Special Scholarship Program. But I only enjoyed the second scholarship for 1 semester because I was told by our counselor in SLU, if you have 2, you have to share the other one. Christian value yon. So pinamili nila ako, and of course, I have to choose the government scholarship kasi merong allowance doon. Now, this is my alma mater at the St. Louis University with a degree of AB Political Science with education units in 1980. And right after graduation, I was hired as an instructor at the Northern College, Santiago City, Isabela. Then when I married, we went back to Baguio, where I taught at Easter School. And in 1993, we decided to go back to San Jose City, where I joined the local government unit up to the present. And while with the LGU, I was recruited to my first networking business. And after a year, I qualified for an incentive tour to Hong Kong. So Hong Kong was my first country that I traveled. No? Then, hindi nagtagal yung networking na yan, my second networking business also. Nago natin sa CB, where I also joined the Achievers Club back then. After that, one after the other, I still joined another networking business. And my latest networking business before Atomy was with the letter N, where I've been with that company for more or less 20 years, where I became a World Team member, a Platinum awardee, a DSAP awardee, where we went to different countries, attending world team meetings. And I was privileged to bring my children with me. Kasi laging good for 2 ang incentives, no? And this is our picture when we went to Honolulu, Hawaii to attend the world team meetings. At ang lagi kong sinasama yung mga anak ko and palaging kasama ko yung bunso, si Ronnie Bryle. No? Kasi yung dalawa, they have already their families at siya yung lagi kong kasama. Kaya siguro, minanan niya yung aking networking business acumen. Salamat sa Diyos. Ayan. And now, why am I sharing all of this? Kasi kahit gaano kataas ang narating mo sa ibang networking, pag i-compare mo sa Atomy, ay malayo ang pagkakaiba. Yes. The uniqueness of Atomy. Pakisabi sa iyong katabi, unique ang Atomy. Yes. And you know what? Atomy was introduced to me at the verge when I really got tired of maintenance. Maintaining personal PVs, group PVs, no? Imagine, aside from maintaining personal PVs, group PVs, I have to maintain 4,000 group PVs. That is more or less 250,000 monthly, no? To earn from my first level directors, second level director, and up to the third level director. Sa fourth level director, wala ka nang kikitain, no? Ayan, compare mo sa Atomy, tayo po ay infinite level. Pakisabi sa iyong katabi, infinite level tayo. Ayan. At ang pinakamasaklap, kapag hindi ka nakakota, it will be passed on to your higher sponsor ang commission. And aside from that, we still have to pay an annual fee of 500 pesos annually. Otherwise, mawawala kami sa system. So I think that is system fee. Samantalang dito sa Atomy, wala kang babayaran sa system, right? It is absolutely free, no? At isa pa, if your downlines in other countries, if you have downline in other countries, in order for you to earn from their production, you have to register again in that country. That was why I was really thinking of really giving up already in networking. At that time, dahil sa walang katapusang maintenance at quota. Ayan. But, in 2019, Atomy was introduced to us by my niece, Jeanette Campos, with my Kuya Donald as my sponsor. I told myself na consumer na lang ako. But after experiencing free facial, I noticed that the black spots in my face slowly diminish with just the sunscreen and the BB cream. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung beauty products natin, di po ba? But even then, I said, I did not want to attend the Atomy seminars until I was kidnapped and brought to the Baguio Cup Center where I met Baguio leaders, Sir Ren, Mama Lorraine, and other leaders in Baguio. They are so warm and very welcoming. Also, I was captivated by the company motto, cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve, and humility. All of these Christian values are appreciated. More so, when I listened to the videos of our CEO, Hangel Park. Isa sa nagustuhan ko, yung sabi niya, Atomy is not a company that uses people to make money, but a business that helps people to succeed together. No? In short, Atomy is a mission business. Kaya sa mga mission-oriented dyan, Atomy is perfect for you. Di po ba? No? No wonder why many Christians are being magnetized sa Atomy. Di po ba? Yan. Since then, I shared Atomy to everyone. And that was during the pandemic. Nung ginawa namin ang Atomy business, that was during the pandemic. It was quite hard because many lost their jobs already, right? No? But, ironically also, it was the best time to introduce Atomy company. Bakit? Because we are an online platform. Naswak. Kaya po, during the pandemic ay namayagpag po ang Atomy. No? Yan. While other businesses were closing then, Atomy was opening other branches globally. And today, we are up to opening 10 more countries globally. Yan. Pakisabi sa inyong katabi, grabe ang Atomy. Yan. Now, this is our picture when I was promoted to Quarantine Diamond Master with my 4 senior citizen sales masters. We have here Doc Marilu, Ma'am Liberty, Ma'am Fe, and Doc Josie. Ayan, andyan po kasama ko si Doc Josie with me. Now, in Atomy, we have to really dream big. At kailangan nakasulat ang mga dreams natin para meron tayong babalik-balikan. We need discipline and consistency to achieve all of these goals. That's why in Atomy, it is imperative for us to write down our life scenario. No? We need to follow the Atomy system, not our own system. We have to plug ourselves into the system. Attend seminars like this, one-day seminar, Success Academies, Center Seminars, Zoom seminars. Kasi marami tayong matututunan. Now actually, my promotion to Sharon Rose Master was propelled by 4 factors. First, we have the positive attitude. Despite many rejections, trials, and challenges, I always tell my partners to shun away from negative people and rub shoulders with successful people. Kasi mahahawa ka, di po ba? Yan. Pakisabi sa iyong katabi, positive attitude. Yes. And secondly, we also need focus. Huwag yung marami tayong dala-dala so as not to confuse our prospects. Pag hindi ka nakafocus, jack of all trades ka, master of none, no one will believe you. Kagaya nung sabi ni Sir Sharon Rose Master, Sir SP, sabi niya, yung una daw na nagre-recruit sa kanya, ay ang daming dala-dala. Kaya hindi niya sinamahan. Kasi baka kung saan pa siya dadalhin. Di ba? Ayan. Now, may I ask you, whom do you want to go with? With one who is so focused or sa maraming dala-dala? Yes. Kaya pakisabi sa iyong katabi, focus tayo. Yes. And thirdly, determination. Even if I am a government employee, I am doing Atomy part-time, but with a full-time mentality. Atomy is a business that you can do anytime, anywhere, and anyhow. Part-time ka man or full-time ka sa Atomy, it does not matter. As long as you do it with a full-time mentality, you will still achieve success. Pakisabi sa iyong katabi, determination. Yes. And lastly, we have teamwork. Again, another feature of Atomy marketing plan that makes it very unique is the bayanihan system. No? You need to stay connected to your active sponsors and to your active partners to be successful. In other companies, pag nauna ka, more chances of earning more. Pero sa Atomy, pag masipag ka sa sponsor mo, pwede mo siyang lampasan. Pwede mo siyang unahan. Di ba? Yan. As long as you follow the system. Now, please tell your seatmates, mag-teamwork tayo. Yan. Yan. Teamwork, very important. Now, this was my promotion sa Sharon Rose Master last December 2024. My second run for Sharon Rose Master was last June 2025, and my third run was in December 1 to 15 of 2025. Yeah. So I'm ready for the Star Master. Now, let me share with you my life scenario. So these are my 4 kids. They're all grown up already. My eldest is a nurse in Australia with her family. My second is also in Japan. And my youngest, Ronnie Bryle, is the one helping me a lot in Atomy business. And now, he is also a Sharon Rose Master like me. Yeah. But actually, Itong mga grandchildren ko and my future great-grandchildren are my greatest inspiration and motivation in doing the Atomy business. Dahil magkakalayo sila, gusto ko silang pagsama-samahin para ipasyal sa iba't ibang bansa, sa Amerika, sa Europe, sa iba. Yan, di ba? Pag ako ay naging Royal Master, Crown Master, at lalo kapag nakuha ay naging Imperial Master. Yan. Yan. And another one is I would like to build a new house and a resort by 2030 for my family and my Atomy family's relaxation. I also would like to buy a latest edition, top of the line, color blue, Toyota Fortuner by 2028. Yan. I also would like to increase my church donations. All of us belong to different denominations. And also, all our churches are engaged with different charity works, activities, like also us in MCGI community. We have a lot of community service, free hospital, free churches, free rides, free store, free, and many more. That is why we would like to also contribute and increase our church donations. And I also would like to maintain and continue with our community service, which we are doing now in my department, even if I am retired. And also, I'd like to obtain an Atomy van to pick up the less fortunate children from the slum areas and bring them to San Jose Atomy Hub for free feeding and for free learning. And of course, lahat po tayo gusto natin ang good health. Kaya dapat lahat tayo, we have to continuously consume Atomy health supplements to keep us healthy, especially the HemoHim. Sabi nga nila, love is the foundation of, self-love rather, is the foundation of all love. Kaya huwag po nating pagdamutan ang ating sarili. No? Inumin natin lahat ng supplements ng Atomy. Because prevention is better than cure. And health is wealth. Also, we would like to sponsor relatives who have health problems. Just lately, I gave HemoHim and Omega-3 to my cousin, retired Brigadier General Miguel Puyao Jr., who was scheduled for heart bypass. I told him to try our products, especially the HemoHim and the Omega-3, before his bypass operation. At salamat sa Diyos, hindi na siya na heart bypass. Yan. Yan. Sabi ko nga, since Sagittarian ako, I really love traveling with my loved ones and my business partners all over the world. At sabi ko, pinag-uusapan namin sa aking idol na si Ma'am Lorraine, sabi ko, tayo na ang mag-schedule ng ating sariling success tour sa ating mga teammates. No? Yung tipong we'll have breakfast in Japan, lunch in Singapore, and dinner in Korea. No? Looking forward for that scenario. And all of this can be done. We also would like to increase our global partners. And all of this can be done if we atomize the whole world. Di ba? Ayan. I would like to end up my sharing with my favorite verse. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Because ito po lahat ay magagawa sa kapahintulutan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. That is why, sabi nga niya, do your best and God will do the rest. Thank you very much. Kamsahamnida.